Good afternoon, everyone. I want to share with you how to create IFTTT. So I go at ifttt.com and then I log in my Google account here. So that's my Google account, and then explore it. And then now I used to choose all Google Calendar entries in Google spreadsheet. So you connect any new event created. So I have a few hours ago or minutes ago, I have some event in my Google Calendar. So I used to save it. I create now connected, and then the settings. You need to have this one, and then save, and then now connected. I used to choose log all Google Calendar entries in Google Spreadsheet. So it's connected now. I go with my Google Calendar. That's my Google Calendar. So I have my 12-day in virtual lasting. So here 5 p.m. So that's my finish my task. So that's it. And then Saturday, I add something here. June 20, add the calendar, create new calendar. Maybe my rest day. Description is finally, and then create calendar. So I create new calendar again. My task for today to finish all my tasks in virtual lasting. Create calendar. So now let's see if it's Google Sheet. So you see, I have here June 19, 2020, finish my task here at the Google Calendar. So that's how you create your IFTTT. So connected to first in Google Calendar, so create your new calendar event, and then let's see here connected to my Google spreadsheet. That's all for today. Thank you.